On my way to coffee shop this morning to talk with Lisa Hatcher and about her business of prepaid legal services.
I'll call you as soon as I'm done.
Okay, Lisa, tell me a little bit about prepaid legal services.
Well, prepaid legal was actually started because we, with the philosophy that we wanted the average person to have access to the justice system. And what we do with our services is for $17 a month, you can consult with an attorney as part of the plan. If a letter or phone call will resolve that issue for you, they will do that on your behalf. You can get your will done with a living will and a medical directive. They'll help you with your traffic tickets and getting those resolved for you. It's just giving the average person access to the legal system, and we also have an identity theft protection program.
I like that. So it's giving the average person access to the justice system. Is that what you?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
You know, attorneys cost $200 an hour, say average, and the person making $15 or $20 an hour, it's hard to justify calling an attorney for an hour of their time.
Yeah, that's good. Give me, for example, an example of when the average person might want to pick up the phone and call an attorney.
Okay.
Your services, that kind of thing.
Absolutely. It might be that your neighbor's has a tree and all the leaves are falling into your yard. What are your rights with regard to that? You don't know. Maybe it's foreclosure issues. I mean, it can be anything from...
Well, that's something we have a lot of nowadays.
Absolutely. And last year we helped save 10,000 homes from foreclosure through our attorney line.
Great.
Yeah.
That's
and
great.
So it's the average, it's life events that we help you with. So.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, Lisa, obviously the biggie is this identity theft issue. What can prepaid legal services do for us there?
Well, the first thing I want to offer is a list of things that you can do personally to avoid identity theft, and you can get that at the bottom of this, this
that's
video.
Good. That's good.
And then, but what we do is we partner with Kroll Background America, and when people think about identity theft, they think mostly about financial identity theft, but there's medical identity theft, character criminal, Social Security identity theft, and a driver's license identity theft.
Well, that medical one would be a big one, wouldn't it?
It is a huge one, because if someone goes in and has a procedure done in your name, then your medical records are now mixed with theirs, and you can see how that would be detrimental.
That jeopardizes your employer-employee relationship, too.
It does, absolutely. And so what we do is we offer help before, during, and after the crime occurs. And with Kroll Background America, they hire licensed investigators to actually fix it for you.
Oh, wow.
And we are the only company out there that has that. So
that's good.
Yeah.
So you mentioned a couple of freebies that we can provide for people just by signing up on the form below. Tell us a little bit about that again.
Sure. We have, for our identity theft, we have tips to avoid identity theft that you can do personally. And then for the Life Events legal plan that we have a 100 ways to use our Life Events legal plan. And those will be provided free to
that's great. We'll make sure we have that contact information there in the video. Thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome. Thank you.
And we'll talk to you again.
Okay.
Bye-bye.